In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a task in Google Calendar. If your to-do list is cluttered or a reminder is no longer relevant, removing a task keeps your calendar clean and focused. We'll do this right in the web version of Google Calendar, and I'll point out a few tips so you can find and delete the exact task you want with confidence. Start by opening your browser and heading to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account so you're looking at the right calendar. You'll see your familiar calendar grid with days, weeks, or months. Tasks are different from events. They're lightweight reminders tied to Google Tasks, and they usually appear with a small checkmark icon or within the Tasks panel. To locate the task you want to remove, look to the right-hand side of the screen for the side panel. Click the Tasks icon. It's the blue circle with a check mark. This opens a list of your tasks, organized by lists and dates. If you don't see the side panel, look for the small arrow at the bottom right to expand it. You can scroll through the tasks list to find the one you want to delete. Alternatively, you can find the task directly on your calendar grid if it's scheduled on a specific date. If you expect to see tasks on the calendar but don't, check the left sidebar under your calendars to make sure Tasks is visible. If it's turned off, toggle it on so tasks appear on the dates they're assigned. Once you've found the task, click it to open its details. In the task card that appears, look for the trash icon. Click the trash icon to delete. If Google Calendar prompts you to confirm, choose to proceed. In some cases, like if the task is part of a repeating series, you may be asked whether to remove just this instance or the entire series. Select the option that matches your intention, then confirm. That's it. The pending task is removed immediately. You'll see it disappear from the tasks list and from the calendar date if it was displayed there. If you're using Google Calendar on multiple devices, the deletion will sync. But give it a moment or refresh the page if you don't see the change right away. Quick recap. Open Google Calendar. Find your task either in the right side Tasks panel or on the calendar date. Click the task, click the trash icon, and confirm if prompted. Keeping tasks tidy this way helps you focus on what truly matters next. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.